Street Scents. What's going on, everybody? Al here. Street Scents coming at you from Parfums de Marly. Yes, New York City, making it happen. Let's go inside. Parfums de Marly. Check it out. The floor got the logo down there. And then let's take a tour. Look, some of the female fragrances. Look at these bottles. Wow. Artwork. Let's move it nice and slow over here. Let's give a tour of Parfums de Marly, New York City. Got Delinea over here. Amazing rose fragrance. Nice mirror. This is on the female side. I'm gonna switch over to the other side. Darcy. Right here, Delinea. This is nice. Let's move. Let's go this way now. Come this way. Let's come switch it over here. Come on. Over here, you have some of the classics. Layton. Amazing. Herod. I love Herod. Herod is great for the cool weather. Pegasus. Godolphin is the leather fragrance. A nice rich leather scent. Let's move down. Let's move down. Herod. Small bottles, big bottles. Layton exclusive. Come this way. Washington. Cinnamon, apple pie. Great for the fall. This is like fall in the bottle right there. I wear that and in the fall, the leaves are falling. I feel great. I'm in a great mood when I wear Washington in the fall. Okay, let's roll. Let's come on. Let's come down here and let's show the masterpiece, Carlisle. This is a masterpiece. I got a few samples of this. I tried it out. I was blown away. It's a masterpiece. To my nose, this juice is amazing. And then you have the other one down here, a Castor. This is the rose fragrance. It has rose in there. That's another solid fragrance over there. Let's swing over there. Some candles. Parfums de Marly candles. And then you have over here a couple other fragrances, a few others. Over here. Parfums de Marly, New York City. Yes, I'm excited. So nice in here. It smells rich, like quality juice in the air.